Yo guys, your girl Mz Dru is back again on your screens looking quite interesting. Can you guess what the venue is today? Well, if you can see behind me, there is a massive hill or bush. Your girl is climbing to the top. We're hiking, we're kayaking, we're even gonna do a bit of abseiling. So what you need to do is know that this is more than a moment. This is an experience. Don't go anywhere.
We'll be starting with the hike, and in all it's less than 2 kilometers in all. That is when you are going, it's 0.9 in and out, is like 0.9 in, 0.9 out. So that's the total kilometers, yes. So less than a kilometer, that's it, yeah. So we rangers take less than 15 minutes or maximum 15, but because some of us are slow to hike and other things, we have to give room for them. So we might probably take an hour.
Hey, 15
yeah.
minutes to an hour.
Yes, it depends on you. And then one thing is, as you are going, be taking in a lot of water or be sipping a lot of water. It's better you survive with your water exhausted than, what do you say? Sure. Okay, fine, you're taking a lot of water. It's better you survive with you having your water with you than to die with a lot of water. You understand? So we'll be going. And then, yes, make sure you support yourself. And when you're tired, please tell us. We will relax and then take a break or a breather for you. And then one thing is the person who lags behind is the one who controls the pace. So you ask the person to take the lead so that immediately she's tired and relax, you all take and then relax. You understand? What is it? Okay. Did I use she? Yeah. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Okay. The person who lags behind will be asked, to take the lead. Okay, take the lead. So that is it. So as you are going, I'll be taking the lead. I'll be in the middle. I'll be behind. I just want to make sure that everybody becomes comfortable with what you want to do. Yeah. So that's fine. So we can start now. You can sit if you want to.
This sweat it's not ladylike. 40% there? 35. But only 35. Wow, I don't know how. Oh my God. Guys, this is not for the faint-hearted at all. We've only done 0.9 km. I'm out of breath. My bestie holding the camera is dripping in sweat. Look, it looks like I wet myself, but it is sweat, guys. It's just sweat. But would I say it was worth it? The view is what I call peaceful. Tranquility. Just look how still and unbothered the water looks. Just perfect. My my only regret is that what goes up must come down.
The experience is worth it, but it's very tough. It's not easy at all. Yeah.
Have you climbed mountain before?
Yes, this is my third mountain hike. Yeah, the first one was Afajatu. The second mountain Aduadu, that is the highest peak close to Afajatu. And then Mountain Jebubu, that is Nkwanta, now Otiweji. And then this. So this is fourth, right?
Wow.
Yeah, so this is the fourth mountain hike. The experience is worth it. Best of.
So initially, I think it was a bit of a challenge, but we managed to overcome it, and I hope that we can do it again and again. Thank you.
My head wants to explode. It was unexpected. I actually thought I could do it, but then quarter way through, I just gave up.
Would you do it again?
I just died. I had to come, and I'm semi-proud of myself though.
Are you ready to
Yeah.
go down?
No, let's rest a little. But yes, definitely, and eventually we have to go down to here.
Pardon me and my tone. You can't step to my throne. They ain't working like me. I did this on my own.
Can you see the view behind me? We are relaxing. I got my life jacket on, don't worry, I'm safe. But we have done one. We're about to go to the next stop, which is abseiling, guys. Wish me luck. I mean, the first one was difficult. This one, I'm loving the boat ride, but I don't know what to say yet about the abseiling, so I'll let you know.
Playing with me, you could double back, lose track, try and hang with me. It must be in my veins, something you can't tame, cause I break the chains. Can't control me. I got the power, I got the keys, cause I break the chains. They try to hold me, I'ma push back, just wait and you'll see.
Now this is the Adomi Bridge, which is located in the eastern region of Ghana. It is the first permanent bridge to span the Volta River, and it is Ghana's longest suspension bridge. Honestly, standing on that bridge is a little bit shaky, but it's an experience.
Make sure that everything is nice, and please watch the ropes, please don't step on the ropes. Okay, then I even check his helmet to be sure that it holds and it's not going to strangle him. I check his gloves, he's fine. Please step here. Great. So now I'm trying to get you to step here. So you have one leg over. Yeah, you step here. You are aiming for the blue cross. Okay. Yeah, first you step there over. Fantastic. Great job. Yes, I'm going to help you with this foot. There you go. And then you step on the plate with the blue cross. Fantastic. Right, please keep still. All right, keep still. The orange loop. I need to close this. All right, that's closed. So now you're gonna hold this bar here. You're going down to the second plate. Okay, that plate. So you can squat and move a leg over. Yeah, I will guide you. One leg first. Yes. Fantastic. Keep your knees straight and locked. Yeah, gently all the way until you can see the bottom of the bridge, or until I tell you to drop your legs, okay? So keep sliding. Good job, Kwabena. All the way. It will feel funny, but just keep your legs on the bridge until I tell you to drop. Keep sliding. Good job, Kwabena. Almost there. Keep sliding. All right, you can drop your legs now. Fantastic. Keep sliding. Keep sliding. You can look up at the photographer and smile. You can even give him a hand, or both hands if you want. Wonderful. Wonderful, Kwabena. That's perfect. Good job. Have fun. All right, so it's that simple. All right. He's having fun. No, not yet. It's 25 meters to the boat. Yeah.
They try to hold me, I'ma push back, just wait and you'll see.
stuck with the rope while abseiling or while getting down, it's going to be very difficult. We have to rescue you. Okay.
Rescue me because of my hair?
Yes, because when you get stuck with the rope, it will be difficult going down. So we have to place your hair just in between your, what's the name, your shoe. Yeah. In between your back and then the life jacket. Yeah. Please, are you comfortable? Are you comfortable? Well, it might look a little uncomfortable, but you just have to manage it just for a short period, and then you'll be okay. Okay. So the next thing is I have to give the harnesses to you.
This?
Harnesses. Okay, so this is called carabiners.
Carabiner.
Yeah, carabiner. So I have to dress you again. You know, when you were a kid, they used to put on this. Yeah. Yeah. Exactly. Yeah. Yeah, the next one. Please make sure you don't fall. Okay, that's fine. No, you didn't. Pull your leg again. Place your leg there. And that is it. Kindly pull it for me and make sure you get to the waist level. You'll get to your waist. So let me loosen it for you so that I'll be able to. It's okay now. Do you mind if I help you pull it to your waist?
You can help me pull it up.
That's fine. Because of sensitivity issues, I have to be very careful. Are you okay now? Yeah, fine. Then let me tighten it for you.
Tighten it because I can't fall.
Yeah.
My life is important.
Yeah. You won't die, don't worry. Your securities are concerned.
Oh my goodness. This is definitely an experience.
Are you okay now? Yeah. So that is it. So the next thing you have, okay, the carabiner, yes. You have to place it over here. Yeah. What's that? The face towel, that's fine. Yeah, so the next thing is, okay, good, it's fine. Yeah. Yeah, please wear them. Yeah, please wear them. Oh, then, so please take this one, yeah. Yeah, that's fine. Wear this one. This way. Oh, they are not going to the reception actually, so yeah. Are you okay? Yeah, that's fine. So the next thing is for you to go.
So move one leg over.
I should go on my knees.
Good idea too.
No, that's what you're telling me.
Yes, that's what I'm saying. Yeah, exactly. Okay. So there you go. And then one leg over. Good.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure. Yeah, one leg good. And then stretch onto your feet and touch that plate.
Which flip?
There's a plate beneath you, so this hand should come down.
Oh,
This hand down.
I wasn't watching.
Very good. And then.
But my other leg,
Yeah. Yes.
it's not coming.
Okay, so move this one on the other side, the other leg will follow.
This one?
Yes, let it go. Let it go down. Let it go down. Yes, and then lean over, like you're trying to step on that one. On that plate. Yeah. You've got to move your body. Exactly. Great. Fantastic. Yeah, that's it.
Good,
All the way.
good, good.
I already have you. You can follow through with your left leg too.
Yeah, let the second leg follow. Let your left leg follow.
When it's not coming, lean into the seat. Yeah, you won't fall.
Lean
Into the seat. The seat
I'm
behind you.
still holding these bars.
Yes, you're still holding these bars. If it helps, you can move it into this bar.
Okay.
Let's do this.
Great. Yeah, you made it.
Yes.
Fantastic. Now feet wide apart. Straighten your knees as you straighten them. Like the hand is flat. Very good. That's it. Straighten. Very good. Straighten your knees. Like still crouching on your legs. Very good. Alright, you need your feet wider apart. Okay, now allow the rope to slide through your gloves. Let them slide. Slide.
Straighten your legs, straighten your legs,
And then slide.
straighten. Drew, you're doing good, you're doing good. Don't go Silla.
The more you open your hand, the faster you move.
So like you need to get this done and over with. Yeah, Drew, you're not in power.
Keep sliding. All the way till like your bum is in the air. Yeah, keep sliding. Some more slide until you can see under the bridge. Sliding.
I can see under the bridge.
Not yet. Slide.
Don't be scared.
Oh goodness.
Slide. Slide.
You are good.
Televised. It is being televised.
Alright, drop your legs down. You can drop them now. Drop them. Good job. Keep sliding, keep sliding.
Look at who is telling someone to relax.
Lower your hands, okay?
Hey, what up, say? Yeah, now I rep the O. What you know about the west side? I just bought a whip, all in cash, live my best life. Bought a couple stocks, so I'm covered for the next 5. I don't like the top, but I will if you test my patience. I'm patiently waiting. Think you know me, but you've been mistaken. Alone in my crib, I like it vacant. Up in the morning, I'm me in the bacon. Don't let it cap and I don't let it fake it. I need a bag and it's mine for the taking. Liquor and women, I'm never chasing. She don't know me, but she know that I'm famous. I got way too much money coming out of woodwork. Remember back then, dog, I told them that it would work. They ain't take it serious. I showed them that I could first. Now I got a crib off the strings, so that's good. I got way too much.
Listen, don't ever do this with fake nails. Don't do it. Please. For the faint-hearted. This is not for the faint.
So you need to face me so that I can get off.
Oh, la, la. My life was in my hands. Can you believe it? Ready, Uncle Bob? Wow, what an experience, guys. Do not do it with fake nails. I don't know who forced you. I did it!
You did it!
I did it!
You did it.
Hey, I think the most scariest part is when you have to let go. Yo! I didn't know if I trusted my own self.
Damn, dog, I told them that it would work. They ain't take it serious. I showed them that I could.
Right, so we've done hiking, check, abseiling, check. Last on the list is kayaking, and I don't know, guys, I'm actually tired. I've used a lot of energy, but I did have a cute time relaxing in the lake. The water was so fresh, so refreshing. My energy is drained, but I'm gonna do it. I need to have the experience, right? So, kayaking it is.
Yeah, when you find out when you love, gotta make sure that you love them right. Yeah, when you find out when you love, gotta make sure that you love them right. Yeah, when you find out when you love, gotta make sure that you love them right. Yeah, when you find out when you love. I got a girl that compliments my fly, and when it goes down, I know she gon' ride. I finally got somebody I can call mine. My one time for the one.
Guys, that as you can see, the weather has changed. Now imagine waves left and right, and all you're being told is to keep calm and to be synchronized. Left, right, left, right. I'm telling you, that kayaking was an experience. We need to thank the Lord God Almighty that I made it back. As you can see, I've changed. I need to free my legs though. We're about to eat and then set off. But I'm telling you, what an experience. That is all I can say. You needed to be here to experience the moment. Guys, it's your girl Mz Dru, and I'm going to catch you in another episode.